Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can transfer Wi-Fi password from iPhone to your Android using QR code. Please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write your comments, put likes. Let us get started. So, in order to create the initial QR code to transfer the Wi-Fi password, we'll need to go to an application called Shortcuts. If you don't have this app on your desktop, like I do, then you need to add it, or you can find it. You can do that by swiping down on the screen when we get a search box. We just type in the word shortcut and select that application. If you don't find it that way, then you need to go to the App Store and just download it. Don't worry, this app is free and should be on all iPhones by default. So, after you have found this app, we go into it. Now at the bottom we find the gallery. After that we see the search bar, and in it we write Koryor. Now we scroll down, and we see that we have a Wi-Fi shortcut here. If you don't have it added, then you'll need to click on this plus. Or you go in, and you can just add a new shortcut. If you add a new shortcut here, if you already have one, I can just click replace. And once you've added this shortcut, we go to the shortcut section at the bottom. We can see that we have it here now. And then we click on it. And we need to now drive the name of our Wi-Fi. Once you've entered the Wi-Fi name, then you need to enter the password for it. And as you can see, right after you enter the password, you have a QR code here. And you can do either. Just click on it. Now I'm going to show you one more time. I accidentally clicked on it the wrong way. When you get a QR code, you click on it. And you get that QR code on the screen. And you can either just let the Android user scan that code, or you can click on Share. And then you can either select an existing contact from above that you communicate with frequently, and you want to send to that particular person. Or if the person is not in the quick search list, then you can choose how you want to share that QR code. For example, Messenger, Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, email, and so on. And after you share this QR code, the person can go and easily access your Wi-Fi. That's how you can transfer your Wi-Fi password from iPhone phone to Android device with the help of QR code. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and write your comments. See you soon.